Today we have the 2016 Mini Cooper Convertible. This vehicle has done just over 46,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control, automatic wipers and automatic headlights. Using the buttons just below we can access media, radio, smartphone integration and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below we have our AC as well as heated seats on either side.